All right, shalom, shalom. We're the real Hebrew Israelites coming day in and day out to prophesy the downfall of Babylon the Great, which is America. First off and foremost, all praises, honor, and glory be unto Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Karkadash. Double honors to thee, elder apostles, a great millstone, and salutations to the elect, wherever you may be. Um, just bouncing off the spirit of elder apostle Tahar. Check out what he said. I'm going to play it first.
Oh, these unity camps are wicked. That's clear wickedness, man. These unity camps are demonic. These unity camps are demonic, wicked, and a sin. There's no way if GOCC comes around, anybody from GOCC, the first thing I might salute Shalom, but the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say, you guys still teach that Edomites can make it? Oh yeah, I said, look, no, you don't gotta show me no scriptures. You can get to stepping.
Have a nice fucking day. All right? Like the other side, I'm going to say shalom because that's what the scriptures tell us to do, man. We ain't going to be like the Pharisees that only say hi to each other. All right? We're going to do what the Lord told us to do. But as far as anything else, it's Amos 3:3. All right? It's Amos 3:3. Now, I'm going to bring up an example of this in the scriptures because like the elder apostle brought out, divisions, which goes into the word dissension, right? Check this out. Acts 23:6. And when Paul perceived that one part of the Sadducees were Sadducees and the other part Pharisees, which were both Israelites, he cried out in the council, Men and brethren, I am a Pharisee, the son of a Pharisee. Of the hope of the resurrection of the dead I am called in question. And when he had so said, there arose a dissension between the Pharisees and the Sadducees, and the multitude was divided. Now hold on. The Pharisees and Sadducees came together to give Paul shit. That's the only thing they agreed in. Then Paul brought up this subject. The niggas started arguing. And that's what you have with unity camps. You guys don't agree in the same shit. So it's always going to be problems and malfunctions within that system because they don't go together. That's why us here at GMS, we don't allow none of that bullshit, man. You come in with a doctrine just like the elder apostle Tahar said. Have a nice fucking day. All right? You ain't got to show me no scriptures. Now, I already know where the spirit's at with you, man. All right? It says, and the multitude was divided. For the Sadducees say, there is no resurrection, neither angel nor spirit, but the Pharisees confess both. All right? So if you're sitting down with Fopi, a.k.a. Nazariah, ITR, this nigga don't believe in reincarnation or that the Northern Kingdom is the Northern Kingdom. All right? So that's bullshit. That's Amos 3:3. You other fucking unity camps getting together, all right? Martial Allah, that summit shit, all right? Because it's a summit of shit, all right? You guys are making bitter water. And James talked to you about you cannot mix bitter and sweet. And that's what you niggas are doing. So just like Elder Apostle Tahar said, man, it's wickedness, man. It's wickedness. Romans 16:17 all day, man. All right? So with that, matter of fact, let me read verse 9. And there arose a great cry, and the scribes that were with the Pharisees part arose and strove, saying, we find no evil in this man, but if a spirit or an angel have spoken to him, let us not fight against the Most High. And that's what it is, man. You guys are fighting against Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai at the end of the day. So with that, I pray this was edifying. All praises, honor, and glory be unto Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Rakar Kadash. Double honors to the elder apostles, a great millstone, and salutations to the elect, wherever you may be. Abba, Babal.